Let me start our design highlights with something personal. DOX Gallery in Prague is always one of my favorite places to visit. And today, it's even more special. The gallery's motto, "Opposing paths must meet somewhere," could be a perfect description for the all-new Fabia. If you look at the Fabia, what will be your first impression? It's a modern car in the elegant body with a very dynamic look. It is a compact car, yet bigger than before, grown up to offer amazing roominess. The new Fabia is a human-oriented car, yet with all the high-techs expected in the bigger class. In its fourth generation, the Fabia is, as always, ready for the everyday family business. But beyond the everyday routine, the new Fabia offers more emotions outside and inside than ever before.
The all-new ŠKODA Fabia is a true hatchback, showing a completely new design following the ŠKODA design language, with very crystal clean surfaces, but also with twisting elements around the car. Let's come to the front of the all-new ŠKODA Fabia. It shows a very upright grille, flanked by very clear-cut headlamps here, showing beautifully crystal details here. And on the lower side of the bumper, you can see a very wide smile by having it almost giving the car a really cheeky look. Let's come to the side of the all-new ŠKODA Fabia. It shows a very dynamic roofline by still keeping in mind that we offer a lot of space for all the passengers. And the side, you can see as well, shows a lot of sculpture, starting here with the fine Donato line, and by pronouncing the wheel arch elements here, giving the car, I think, a very expressive shape. Additionally to this, we gave also the wheels here with the aero caps as well, because this car achieves a drag coefficient of 0.28. Let's come to the side, where we have here on the side sill here a crystal cut elements, which represents even the Czech flag. Now to the back of the all-new ŠKODA Fabia, very sculptured, giving the car a nice stance, also a very long, nice rear spoiler, and of course a very sculptured bumper area.
Sportiness and elegance that comes from the exterior is as well visible in the interior of the all-new Fabia. This is the place where function meets emotion in a best possible way. The car itself is built on the MQB A0 platform, which gives the interior really amazing width and space. Kate, what about if we would look into the car?
Yes, please, Peter.
First thing what you see is this beautiful cockpit, which is democratic, very symmetric, and it's built about the middle freestanding screen infotainment. The car has for the first time as well virtual cockpit. The interior has a typical ŠKODA DNA. The typical ŠKODA line, which is for the first time in this category of the car built as well from the textile.
Yes, exactly. Same as we presented in Octavia and also in Enyaq, we are bringing into the Fabia soft materials on the dashboard, such as textile, microfiber material, or artificial leather. And for some of the lines, we are even highlighted with the nice decorative stitching. Another nice highlight, let's say, for the Fabia is decorative part on the door handle, on the frame in the middle console, and also on the dashboard.
Yeah, the one in the door, this would be my personal highlight, because that one is taken directly from our Vision RS show car.
Yes, that's true. And what I want to mention as well, with Fabia, we are bringing two new metallic colors. As you see here on this car, graphite metallic, and as a communication color for Fabia, it's Phoenix Orange.
These were the design highlights from us. The all-new Fabia is a car where different needs and expectations meet in a perfect harmony. But as with any contemporary art here in the docks, only seeing, touching and feeling will give you the right picture. Hope you will enjoy it as much as we did.